In MyLab, when a question is marked incorrect, meaning you have an red X here, and when you go to the question, you see that it was marked wrong because your answer was incorrect. That means you were given 3 chances to answer it correctly. The only way for you to be able to go back to a question and to get another chance at that particular question number is to use the similar question option. So here's how it works. When I go to a question, specifically a show work question, and I answer it incorrectly the first time, it tells me it's wrong. When I answer it incorrectly the second time, it gives me a warning that it's incorrect, and then it gives me a third time to answer it correctly. If it's still not answered correctly, I will be given the correct answer and given the option to do another question in place of the one that was marked wrong. When this is at the top of this answer page, this is the correct answer for the question that I missed. After 3 attempts, when I click, it tells me what the question answer that I last put in, which is the wrong answer. So in order for me to give another chance at this question number 26, I must go back to question 26 and click on similar question. That gives you another chance to answer another question in place of this question number 26. That's how it works.